This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play harmonica Jingle Bells. First, let's get comfortable. Hold your harmonica gently, with the numbers facing up. This helps you see the holes clearly. Relax your mouth and lips, creating a good seal over about 3 holes. This technique is crucial for producing clear, single notes, which are essential for playing melodies like Jingle Bells. A relaxed grip and embouchure will make your playing much more enjoyable. Now, let's learn the very first phrase of Jingle Bells. You'll start by blowing into hole 5 3 times. That's jingle. Then, repeat blowing into hole 5 3 more times for the next jingle. To complete this part, blow into hole 5 once, then 6 once, then 4 once, then draw on hole 4, and finally blow on hole 5. Practice this slowly to get the rhythm and notes just right. Remember, clear single notes are key. Moving on to the second phrase, jingle all the way. You'll start by drawing on hole 5 5 times. This creates a smooth, flowing sound. Next, blow into hole 5 3 times, followed by drawing on hole 4 twice. To finish this phrase, blow into hole 5, then draw on hole 4, and finally blow into hole 6. Take your time with these notes, ensuring each one is distinct and clear. Consistency is important here. Now it's time to combine both phrases we've learned. Start with the Jingle Bells part, then transition smoothly into the Jingle All the Way section. Don't rush. Focus on accuracy and a steady rhythm. Regular practice, even for just 10 minutes a day, will significantly improve your playing. Remember to breathe deeply and maintain a relaxed embouchure. Soon, you'll be playing the entire Jingle Bells melody with confidence and joy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.